Well, the sun's finally out. There's my cavalry of cats out there, and a brief sweep of the house. It's a mess. And there's Horatio. Hey, Horatio. And of course, you all know who that is, right? Okie doke. And going outside, this is my junk pile right here at the back door. And all my plants and the stuff that are here, been sitting in this window, God knows how long. And out my back door, and to our Mr. Duggar. Hi, Doug. And the kitty cats that are, I had to bring some more food. And I'm doing this video for myself and for posterity, or for my posterior. This was all a giant mess the other day. And I'm working on getting all my wood pile moved over here, and I've cleaned up all this area here, and so this is kind of sort of like, hi y'all, this is Hawkeye. It's kind of sort of like, you know, I've talked about it, but you know, you haven't all seen the place, and I haven't really done any videos and live stream or anything because it's hard to carry the laptop around. But you know, so I'm doing this video just to say, this shed here, you know, I'm going to be working on it real soon. There's windows over there and stuff. That's going to become a better shed and a partial greenhouse. And all of this I've cleaned up, and this is going to be moved and all cleaned up here in the next day or so, and all this across the front of there. And part of my plan has been to rebuild this portion. This is the first thing that was built, is this portion of the shed right there. Yeah, there you go. And I want to keep some of it and rebuild it, just because it was part of the original. It was the first thing ever built here. So but it really needs help, and I got stuff in there that needs to come out and that kind of thing. So, but a couple of things I wanted to show folks. I was talking about my tomato plants that just showed up in the yard right there, and one of them's really strong, and I'm fixing to put them up. And I don't know what this plant is, but it came up, and I've never seen the leaves before, so I'm not quite sure what it is, and therefore it's still there. And this is, for those folks who might not know, this is Wandering Jew. Okay, from one plant here in the back. Oh, and these are what I've been pulling up. These rascals right here. Spent a lot of time these last couple weeks, pulled these sons of guns up. Anyway, but what I wanted to say about the Wandering Jew is it's one hell of a ground cover, and it'll cover everything. And it's covered everything in my backyard here. It's all now, a lot of it is Wandering Jew. But I'm trying to reclaim all this stuff now and get my backyard done. There's brick and everything underneath there. There's actually stairs down there, and I mean, there's stuff that I need to reclaim. The back end of my shed fell off and broke in one of these storms and stuff, so I need to take care of that. But one thing at a time. But I've been really pushing. I've been really pushing to get this dang front porch done. So I want to show what's happening with this. Not so much about me, but how it's making the transition. So at the moment, this is what it looks like. So the brick on the front, I need to finish that top row there and then start down this side. So I got concrete again, and I got my new cement mixer. Yay team, right? And this is what I busted out of there, the old foundation around over here. And there's really bad cracks along there. The ants had moved in, and I've been dealing with that, so I didn't want to pour any more cement until I took care of the ant situation. But a lot of this is coming out right here, And I bought new rebar. Whoa, that didn't go in very easy. Because I got this big pile of block here that's going to be the rest of the foundation down to at least where I've got it dug out right now. And then cement, I'm going to finish doing the brickwork down the front of here, and that's fixing to get poured pretty soon. And I'm trying to match this floor because all this is coming out. That window's coming out, that window's coming out, all this is coming out eventually, and this will blend right into where the kitchen is now. So I wanted to show it. And oh, and since I'm here, by the way, this is one of my 1,000-gallon tanks right here that I use full of water. The storm knocked off my gutter that put water in the top, but so, oh, and there's a lizard behind the this is what I intend to use for the ceiling for my greenhouse right here. And back over here in the garden there's a whole bunch more, and I intend to reclaim that too. But as the fall season comes in, a lot of things start growing. And this is my little bed of garlic in here that has been here, I don't know, 15, 20 years. And underneath it, back over there, are strawberry plants that haven't really yielded anything. This is one of my pear trees. There's a couple of small pears up there, a group of them up there. But these came from one tree way back in the back, and they've taken this, what used to be all my garden space back here, and in here where all these weeds are. So I'm going to reclaim some of this winter. I want to plant some greens in here since it's the cleanest at the moment. But yep. So I wanted to give you a tour of the mess because things are changing. It's going to look different, and with any luck it's going to look different really, really soon. Because as soon as I get these brick on the top of this wall here, I got 2x4s and 2x6s and everything ready to get put up and start putting up my wall and put the windows in. So, but anyway, this is just a short one. There's Duggar. It's October the 29th, maybe. It's Friday, October 29th, 2021. And this is Hawkeye Two Feathers, and showing off my mess that I'm cleaning up. But so that's where my wood pile is going to be, is over there. I've been cleaning out shrubs and brush from out there. Got a big pile of garbage that needs to be burned over there. And so anyway, this is just to say hi. Duggar, say hi. Well, Duggar ain't saying hi much, is he? But anyway, there's kitty cats and laundry, little bit of laundry I got to get in. And for those of you who've never seen the south side of my house, there it is in all its funky glory. So, but anyway, it'll be a little bit funkier. Just want to say thank you all for hanging out, and if you ever get this way, come by and see the old hippie. You know, Hawkeye Two Feathers saying cheers everybody and have a great day, you know. And there's my field up there, butterflies, kitty cats hunting, and y'all have a great day.